Have you ever considered how a simple renovation could dramatically increase your home's value? Imagine transforming your living space while making a smart investment. The truth is, not all renovations are created equal. Some can yield staggering returns, while others might leave you feeling disappointed. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Today, I'm diving into the top renovations that promise the best return on investment, ensuring you make informed decisions when it comes time to sell. Number 1. Garage door replacement. This is often hailed as the best home improvement for ROI, with returns soaring up to 194%. A new garage door not only boosts your home's curb appeal, but also enhances security and energy efficiency. Choosing durable materials like steel or fiberglass can make a significant difference. Number 2. Steel entry door replacement. Upgrading to a steel entry door can yield an impressive ROI between 188% and 101%. These doors offer superior insulation and security compared to traditional wooden options, making them a smart choice for homeowners looking to invest wisely. Number 3. Manufactured stone veneer. Installing this can provide an ROI of around 102%. It elevates your home's exterior aesthetics without the hefty price tag of natural stone, making it an appealing option for many homeowners. Number 4. HVAC conversion to electric systems. This modernization can yield about 103% ROI, aligning your home with energy-efficient trends that buyers crave. Selecting the right system tailored to your home's heating and cooling needs is crucial. Number 5. Minor kitchen remodels. Simple updates such as new backsplashes or fresh paint can produce an ROI between 96% and 86%. Focusing on high-impact areas like cabinetry or countertops can refresh your kitchen's look without breaking the bank. Number 6. Exterior improvements. Enhancing curb appeal through landscaping or new siding often yields high returns. These projects create a welcoming atmosphere that attracts potential buyers right from the start. Number 7. Kitchen refreshes, including minor appliance upgrades and paint, can yield an astonishing ROI around 377%. This low-cost approach makes it easier for homeowners to achieve a modern look without extensive renovations. Number 8. Refinishing hardwood floors. This process provides an average ROI of 348%. Restoring existing floors can be done at a fraction of the cost of replacement, adding significant appeal to your home. Number 9. Roof replacement set. A new roof can increase home value significantly, offering an average ROI of 288%. It not only improves aesthetics, but also prevents future damage, making it a wise investment. Number 10. Carpet replacement. Upgrading outdated carpet can transform your space with an average ROI of 280%. Choosing durable materials in neutral colors appeals to most buyers, creating a blank canvas for their style. Now, imagine stepping into a home that feels brand new, where every corner reflects care and investment. As you plan your renovations, keep an eye on the market. Trends shift quickly. You won't want to miss out on opportunities that could elevate your home's appeal and value. For those looking to maximize their renovation potential, visit BigHomeProjects.com. Our platform connects you with trusted contractors who specialize in high ROI renovations, ensuring you get the most out of your investment while enjoying a smooth renovation process. Don't miss the chance to transform your home into the dream space you've always wanted.